Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see here, this Tiguan from Volkswagen here has had some work done to it. It's been polished here completely by me, and if you look at it, it just looks fabulous. So yes, however, this is not the topic of today's video. The topic of today's video is trying to salvage or save the oxidized exhaust tips on this car. As you can see, they are severely oxidized. My nails are just about to break here, so yes, this is quite a severe problem. However, if you know anything about Sweden from where this car is, well, Sweden during winter time, they put substances on the road to prevent the road from freezing, and that does a lot of damage to paint, aluminum, chrome, etc., which tends to cause issues. So this is one of those results. So this exhaust will try to polish manually with microfiber cloth and the POLYTOP German brand paste. It has been receiving some rave reviews and great recommendations, so I think it's time to try what this paste is all about. So only using my hand, so it's easy on, it has sealing components. It's free of silicone and of ammonia, as well as aromatics. Ooh, aromatics. Alright. So this paste has a very specific smell as well. You cannot smell it, but it's specific. So let's try to do this by hand. Let's see if we can remove this corrosion using just our hand, that microfiber cloth, and this paste. So let's begin. So here I am, back again. I'll tape off this small section so I can see the difference with and without the paste. So POLYTOP. So we had to shake this paste first, as it says. So I don't have gloves on me currently, but you can use them, of course. So the microfiber cloth is not coarse at all, it's very soft, and this is the paste. So let's see the effect of the POLYTOP paste on the exhaust tips, and if it can remove this oxidation without using any kind of machinery, only my hand. So here I am, stroking away at the exhaust tip. Look at this! Whoa! This is what this paste has done. This is very solid. It's doing its job very well. For a very short amount of time, it leaves you with great results. Boys and girls, this is great! I love stroking this tip with this paste. I am stunned that this paste has been so effective on this exhaust tip. So look for yourself, see it. This is basically just one application by hand. So let's try to finish the entire part of this exhaust and move to the other barrel. This is incredible. Very little paste, very little pressure. I'm just basically stroking this pipe lightly. and such an oxidized pipe is being cleaned off. Stroking this is easy. Amazing. This is really not a fake video, I promise you. All of this has been done with just a microfiber cloth, stroking away gently, so the paste is really doing its job. I've tried many pastes when it comes to chrome and aluminium, but so far this paste has shown the best results. It just gives you the results in a very short amount of time. Okay, let me stroke away this part as well. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. It's just removing it. Oh, yeah, this is good. This is some great result, man. Just look at this. These parts, this part, this part. There's such a huge difference. There's a lot of corrosion here which has been stroked away. Very gently, too. It's just incredible. It's unbelievable. What is this paste? These Germans, they can really make some things, can they? Here I am stroking with 2 arms. We gotta get the best result. So the difference compared to what we had when we started is amazing. Oh, this is great. Unbelievable. So you have to have this paste. You have to have it in your workshop. It is a very good paste. And remember, only using your hand is what you can achieve with this paste on such a tip. So here's my trusty test lamp. See, there's no swirls, there's no marks. This has all been stroked away by a hand. So no sanding down, no polishing.
What we do here is
so this is only the microfiber cloth and some elbow grease, gently stroking away the rust. But yes, definitely, this POLYTOP paste, this is something you must have. I am blown away. So in one of the next videos, I will show you how to remove the tar from the inside plastic covers inside the wheel arches. Just look at this result. Aren't you just thrilled waiting for this video to come out? I know I am. So until next time, stay safe, take care, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave a comment, ask a question if you want, sure. And yeah, boys and girls, stay safe, take care, and goodbye, boys and girls.